Only 9 main clothing pieces and over 40 outfits. Yep, you heard me right. And no, it's not another boring list of beige basics. This capsule is realistic, unique, and full of outfits you'll actually want to wear.
And when I'm out, I'm looking.
Hello beautiful people, a warm welcome back to my channel, and I don't like long introductions, so we're starting with the tops. So the golden rule, you always want at least twice as many tops as bottoms. We swap them more often and they can completely change the mood of an outfit even if the pants stay the same, because this is our portrait zone and this is how we communicate. And the first piece, a simple sweater, but the color makes it not boring at all. I love that it has very clean and straight cut, which makes this piece very versatile. You can wear it on its own when you need something casual and simple, or play with light scarves to give it a little extra design twist. Don't worry, I'll show you all the accessory tricks at the end of this video. And one more tip I love. This sweater works as a scarf too. It's such an easy modern styling move and it instantly adds interest. Next up, the thin, long sleeve top. And yes, every capsule needs absolutely completely neutral design to balance out all the other bolder prints and patterns and colors. And this one does the job. It's 100% cotton, super simple and so easy to layer. On its own, it works perfectly for warmer indoor days. Just add a necklace or a scarf to make it feel intentional, and layered under the sweater or a button-up, I'll show you a bit later, it gives you that fresh little twist that instantly elevates the outfit and freshens up the look. And if your climate runs colder, you can swap the long sleeve for a thicker cotton or even merino version. Same idea, just warmer. And as always, I have linked all the fashion pieces I'm wearing today down below in the description box, along with all the needed information for you to recreate my outfit. So don't forget to check out my description box, and we're moving on. Now, piece number 3 is this wool waistcoat with detachable scarf, and for me this is like the hero of my capsule. It's one of these unique pieces that feels so timeless and chic. You can wear it over the white long sleeve with the scarf removed, super clean and simple, or button the scarf back on and play with different drapes. It instantly adds personality. You can also swap the original scarf for a lightweight one of your own. That little switch completely changes the mood. And don't forget, the scarf doesn't have to stay with the waistcoat. Style it with other tops as a subtle layer peeking out, and it gives the outfit an elevated touch. Now, piece number 4 is this beautiful blue wool plaid button-up. Actually, I wanted to add something more like unexpected to my capsule, and I think this wool button-up is perfect for fall-winter season. Yes, I wanted at least one playful piece for bolder, more like edgy combos, and this wool shirt is perfect for layering because it's warm but it's thin. The easiest way to throw it over the white long sleeve. You can also wear it under the heavy knit. Those blue plaid hems peeking out make the outfit instantly more interesting. And actually, this is my top piece, number 5. Yeah, it's a heavy knit sweater, and this time I went with the completely neutral color, white color, but I played around with the design of a collar. You can see buttons here and like a polo design collar. On its own, it's already a subtle statement. You can button it all the way up for a clean look, or leave it open and let some jewelry, like for example my necklace here, become the focal point. It also works beautifully with scarves, especially with small dark red one, which makes such a perfect match. Okay, now the last top, and it's more like an outerwear piece. I would say like this is like a sleeveless jacket or outerwear piece, vest. And honestly, I think this is the diamond of my capsule. I'm in love with this sleeveless jacket. It's pure wool with an extra warm lining. For me, this works as my winter jacket because here in Portugal, winters are really gentle. If your lifestyle is different, you could wear it indoors when it gets chilly, or swap it for a jacket, a blazer, or even a proper coat if you need more warmth. I also pulled together a curated list of similar styles so you can build the same look but adapt it for your climate and your needs. But honestly, I'm dreaming of getting the cooler temperatures here in Portugal to start wearing this vest, and I know transitional season is the best for layering. It gives you the freedom to add a layer or take one off as the temperature shifts during the day, whether you're indoors or outdoors. And a gentle reminder, especially for those of you who are new to my channel, I have developed a very simple yet highly effective style quiz. Take this quiz, it will take just a few moments, answer a few questions, and you will get your personal wardrobe plan absolutely free right to your mailbox. This plan is designed to help you understand what you might be doing wrong while shopping or while creating your outfits and guide you towards better style decisions. Follow the link in the description box, and always remember you're just one click away from transforming your personal style together with me and with my team. Now, as I explain the bottoms, here's the full recap of all the best outfits. I think it's gonna be like 43 outfits, if I'm not mistaken. Feel free to pause the video, take the screenshot, and save the picture for the next time you want to recreate one of the outfit formulas. So I kept it to only 3 bottoms, and honestly, it's more than enough for a small capsule like mine. First, neutral navy denim. I like having one darker bottom for rainy days or whenever I want to ground a look. You could swap these for dark wash jeans, just avoid the heavy washed out effect, since this capsule already has so many patterns and colors and prints. We don't need extra denim texture making it busy. And swap loafers for ankle boots if you need a warmer look. Then one pair of checkered pants. I've been obsessed with these for 2 years. They're from Sezane, by the way. I've linked them down below. So they are bold and playful, and they instantly make any outfit shine. They're made of linen, by the way. Yes, you heard me right, linen, but don't be fooled. The fabric is so thick, so they work better for fall and mild winter. They're not summer pants at all. And you know what? While I was shooting this video, I honestly felt like I could be layering and mixing these pieces forever. That's how much I'm into this capsule. And yes, I really plan to wear it in real life. It's not just for YouTube video. And finally, a gray midi skirt. It brings a more feminine and formal vibe, and it balances the bolder pieces in the capsule. For your own capsule, I suggest 3 bottoms and more, but make sure each one has a different job. Just like here, 1 to ground the look, 1 to play, and 1 to elevate. Okay, that was fun. I hope you liked it, the full recap of 43 outfits. And now just a few words about accessories. As you've noticed, I play with scarves a lot. I go for small or lightweight ones, so I can wear them indoors. They work as an easy little detail that elevates any top. I only keep 2 necklaces in this capsule. They're perfect for those moments when an outfit feels like too plain and flat and it needs just a touch of shine. And then my 2 favorite bags. So the first one is this beautiful suede navy blue clutch, but don't be fooled. It's not just a pretty impractical fashion influencer bag. It has a wide leather strap, so I can wear it like a shoulder bag for every day or as a clutch when I want something more refined. And of course, my gray top handle bag. You have seen this baby like, I don't know, thousands of times here on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram page. It's one of my most worn and most versatile pieces ever. Okay, 9 main clothing pieces and over 40 outfits. And you know what? I'm truly excited to actually live in this capsule, not just film it, and I hope I have inspired you to recreate my capsule wardrobe, or maybe recreate just some parts of my capsule wardrobe. You know where to find the links. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. and you're still here, it means you want to watch another video. My recommendation would be 5 outdated fall trends and what to wear instead. Click, click, see.